Hi friends, welcome to South Indian cuisine. Today now I am going to show you a sweet recipe that is kaja. For that, the main ingredients, this is maida flour, that is all purpose flour, and some clarified butter, and this is rice flour and sugar, and this is vanilla essence, and these are cardamom, and next quite a pinch of baking soda, and next in the same quantity salt, and next this is baking soda and baking powder. These are the ingredients, and next oil for deep frying. With this, now I am going to make a tasty sweet item, that is kaja. First in the process, into the all purpose flour add this baking soda, baking powder, and cooking salt. Add these three, and next sieve the flour. After adding the baking soda, powder, and salt, just sieve the flour, and now into that flour add clarified butter, that is ghee, to it, and mix it well. After mixing the ghee into flour well, now add water little and make a soft dough, like chapati dough. Now make it a dough. After making the dough like this, now rest this dough for at least 30 minutes. Cover it and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, now take the dough, just knead it, and dust the flour and just knead it like it, and next make a dumplings with this. After making the dumplings like this, now take one and dust the flour, and now roll it with the rolling pin as thin as possible. And now take a small bowl, add 1 spoon of all-purpose flour and 1 spoon of rice flour. Mix both and keep it aside. Now rolling like chapati like this, and now apply clarified butter on this. After applying the ghee, that is clarified butter, now sprinkle the all-purpose flour and rice flour mixture on it. After sprinkling the flour, now wet the hands and keep on touch with the edges. Just wet the entire edge of this roti like this. Apply little water. It helps to After applying the water on edges, now just gently roll this. Like this. See how I make it? After making like this, now cut this into 1-inch pieces. Now do all it. After cutting and spreading, the pieces will look like this, and now take the rolling pin, just gently press it, that's all. See, this is the original kaja shape. Do like this. After making the entire dough like this, see the shape, this is the kaja shape, should be like this. After making all this, now put a pan on the stove, add oil or ghee, that is clarified butter, that is your wish. Put it on the stove for deep frying. Let the oil heat. Now in the kadai, add oil or ghee. I have added both. Oil and ghee also I have added. With this you will get nice smell in that kajas. Wait till the oil heats. When the oil heats, add little dough. Check when the oil heats. Now add these kajas to it. And fry these kajas on a medium heat only till every kaja get into golden brown color. Gently add all the kajas to oil. After adding, gently mix this and fry these till golden brown color in a medium heat only, then only it will cook inside and outside. While the kajas are frying like this, now make the sugar syrup. For that, put a bowl on the stove. For making sugar syrup, take sugar. I have taken for this recipe around 350 grams of sugar, and I have added with 300 ml of water, and mix this till the sugar dissolves. When the syrup getting boiled, now add this cardamom powder and some vanilla essence also. Mix it and boil this syrup till one string consistency. Now our kajas is also fried. They get the golden brown color. And now we can remove this from oil. See the color. After removing from the oil, the kajas will look like this. Now add these kajas to our hot sugar syrup. Now add this. And just mix like this. After 1 minute, you can remove this from syrup. It will absorb. After removing these from sugar syrup, the kajas will look like this, and it is very tastier, delicious. Kajas are ready now. And now our sweet kajas are ready. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel. Send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.